Now I'm going to talk about the parent and child here in Unity. What are they and what are they used for? So imagine a parent as an object that contains objects inside him, and those objects that are inside the parent are called childs. To give you a better picture of what I mean, here's an example. This is a parent object. As you can see here, the arrow. The arrow, when you click on it, it will list down the objects that are inside the parent here. So if I said this is a parent, then these are the childs of the parent. Also, at the same time, you can have an object that is a parent and a child at the same time, like this here. This is a child of this parent and a parent of these childs here, of these here. Um, what are they actually doing? Let's say the childs are getting synchronized with the parent here. So if you move the parent, the childs will also get moved, and if you rotate the parent, the childs are also getting rotated. It means the childs are getting synchronized with the parents, if with the parent by position and rotation of it. If you move a child, let's say this is a child here and this is a parent. If you move the child, the parent won't get synchronized like this. See, this is a child. Only the childs of this parent are getting moved, such as these here objects, such as this here, this object, and all the objects that are inside this. Let me bring the foot back here. I'm going to give another example with the main camera. You can, let's say, synchronize the main camera to be a child of the 3D object here, like this. Now if you move the character, the main camera stays as it was, because the main camera is not a child of this parent yet. If you put the main camera inside this parent, it will become a child. Now if you move the character, the main camera will also follow. If you rotate the character, the camera is also getting rotated. It's actually synchronizing with the position and rotation here. So what else you can do with this? You can do actually whatever you think you want to do. You can also create, you can highlight some objects. I'm going to create a spotlight. Let me find it. Here's the spotlight. First I'm going to remove the light. Now it's easier to see our highlighted objects. I mean the spotlight. I'm going to move the spotlight to be here. Now the spotlight is not a child of the 3D object. You can make it become a child by moving it inside, as I said. Now if you move the object, it will also make the spotlight move and also rotate it. Another thing about the parent and child is it's like it's united as one object. All the childs are like merged within the parent, so it's like this parent here is one object and these childs are actually this object here. If you remove the parent, as this is the parent, all the here, as you can see in the hierarchy list, all the childs are removed at the same time as well. You can also use it for to place a sword on the hand, or a gun, or whatever you imagine. You can put whatever you want, or whatever suits you, whatever desires your wills.